And I know, Michelle, you have an update on what we're expecting for the upcoming day ahead.
Yeah, the worst part of this is going to be this morning here in southern New England with it widespread heavy snow and sleet that's been falling. It's really making for some slippery conditions out on the roadways, sidewalks, driveways, anything untreated. And look at the conditions right now in North Scituate, and we're well into the morning commute, and those roadways are still covered in slush, snow, ice. And you can see as car here approaches the intersection and slowing down those speeds and allowing plenty of time in between and space in between the cars. This is what it's looking like right now into Providence. Just not only are we seeing that heavy sleet, it's cold and icy when you are outside. 29 with northeast winds at 15 feels like 18 degrees. So very difficult travel conditions continuing through the end of the morning. We do see some improvements in the afternoon, but one thing we're going to be watching for this evening are for those roads to turn icy again as the temperatures fall later in the day. We do have that steady precipitation. Now the radar is showing snow, but what we know is that a lot of that is melting and then refreezing on its way down through the clouds this morning. So if we get into the correlation coefficient, this is showing us nicely where we've had some mixed snow and sleet across northern Rhode Island, heavy sleet in the Hartford area, and we're seeing mostly sleet into the southern parts of Rhode Island right now. If we widen out the view even further, we expect that area of sleet to make it all the way up to about the Mass Pike this morning, with the steadiest of that precipitation again sliding eastward by the midday hour. So accumulations right now range between about 1 and 3 inches of snow. Cumberland with 2.5. I have a couple of reports now in the northwest corner of the state of around 3 inches of snow, and any additional amounts on top of that should be fairly light. We're thinking with the sleet snow combination, you make it another ½ inch, an inch or two in northern Rhode Island, with less than that, likely little to no additional accumulation. That sleet just doesn't pile up that efficiently south of Providence. So 29 degrees in the capital city right now, 31 in New Bedford, gradually climbing up above freezing. Winds out of the east, and they are gusty, 15-mile-per-hour sustained winds, some gusts 30 to 35. So a nasty day for traveling this morning. Winter weather advisory at the coastline, winter storm warning. If you are heading out of town today, it's going to continue to snow across northern New England late into the afternoon in Vermont, New Hampshire, and parts of Maine as well. So very slow going there. You can see in that hour-by-hour forecast as we've been going through the morning that snow and sleet across southern New England, and then those rising temperatures bring that rain and snow line up across central Rhode Island and the area of sleet as far north as Boston. And this is at noon today. Lingering lighter snow showers northern and central New England. A lot of that tapers off for us. Now, we still could see a passing rain or snow shower in the afternoon and evening, but it's not going to be widespread here in southern New England. In fact, the skies will be clearing out later on this evening and overnight tonight. So this morning, plan on that icy mix right now. Temperatures with some sleet and some rain at 10 a.m. and lighter sleet and rain showers at noontime. We'll have to watch for a little bit of icing in northern Rhode Island, with the temperatures holding a few degrees colder than what we'll see in Providence and south. 35 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By 6 in the evening, we're starting to drop back down to freezing and below. And as those temperatures continue to drop in the evening, watch for those icy patches. We'll fall all the way down to about 17 overnight tonight. Here's the 7-day forecast. Sunshine, but chilly on Saturday. A little bit more comfortable on Sunday with a high near 41. We get a shot of cold air coming in Sunday night with a front. Could bring a quick snow shower Sunday night, then just that frigid air for Monday. Back to more seasonable highs midweek. WPRI